Good morning. Today is the sad disembarkation day. It's been a absolutely wonderful cruise. We're back here in Port Canaveral. We are excited to get home, and I will be missing Harmony of the Seas for sure.
Hey guys, Future Mindy here. So I just wanted to kind of go over the whole process of our very first time doing a self-disembarkation. This was a very easy process. They still give you the luggage tags at the end of your cruise to put out at your door. If you decide at the last second that's what you want to do, that's fine. We, however, decided we wanted to try it this way. We had always done it the other way, and we thought, why not? We're just doing a bunch of firsts this cruise. Why not just do this too? So we did. So we just took our luggage off that morning. We were able to go down and have breakfast first and leave all of our stuff in our room, go back to our room, grab our stuff, and head off the ship. Easy peasy, was not a big deal. I would say that if you have large luggage on these newer ships, it's pretty easy to maneuver around. If this was a smaller ship with smaller corridors and you have large luggage, then maybe it would be beneficial to go ahead and let them do it, because, you know, even with us having large luggage in a large cruise ship with the larger corridors, we were hogging the hall. So if someone needed to go by us, we had to kind of pull to one side to let people by. So keep that in mind if that is something you are considering. It was a much faster process for us to just take it off ourselves versus putting it out the night before and then hunting it down. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, as always, drop me a comment in the comment box below. I am here to help. And until the next time, guys, shake it out, leather.